Hi, it's Oscar from Campersales, and today I'll be showing you the bed on the Westfalia Columbus 600E. This is a very generous longitudinal bed on this 6 metre fit Giacato. The longer side here has a length of 196 centimetres, the slightly shorter side to my left is 180 centimetres, and the overall width of the bed is 195 centimetres. Here at Campersales we've made a few adaptations for ease of use. The first one being we've added toggle screws either side of the bar to help locate it and also secure it when it's in place. In addition, we've also added sliding pivots, so when folding the bed away, it's much easier. Once you have it up against the wall, you have one strap either side to secure it in place. With this single section, it's the same as the other side, and you have two straps to secure it in place. Our final bed adaptation is this support leg. This means you can now sleep one person on this single. The width is 75 and the length is 180, and this leg is removable.